how do you get a job? So many factors play in getting a job. One is the prior experience you bring to the table, which is very important. Two is a very good academic performance in this subject. Doing, in this case of the IT business analysis course, students need to do the professional exams like the IIBS ECBA program, the CBAP program if they have the experience, because those professional qualifications play a major role in the employers feeling confident that potential employees who will provide economic and knowledge value to their organization. If English is not your first language, going and learning English, communication skills, trying to understand Canadian culture, to be able to connect with people from all over the world is super important. Not only getting a job, but being successful in the job. So I think all this is a combination that will help a student to get a job and be successful in Canada. Right now, there are lots of students coming from all over the world, hoping to get a PR card to live in Canada. So it's very important that when you come here, you come with a purpose. And if you can't achieve something substantial here in Canada, your complete effort of coming to Canada with the belief thinking that, oh, if I come in here, I can just get any job, I can work, I can do whatever I want to do, is a misconception. A lot of people come here, they are not successful because they didn't have a plan. And like I tell all my students, if you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. So it's important that you come with a plan. Your plan should not be to get a PR card. Your plan should be something where you can actually, at the end of the day, your education should help you as a stepping stone to get a job, to have a great life. So at the end of the day, how I see it is like it's a win-win situation. Students who are coming with their academic knowledge, their experience, their intelligence will be contributing towards the Canadian economy, making Canada a viable country to live in. Meanwhile, at the same time, Canada provides lots of opportunity for people from other countries can live happy lives, have families, bring up their children, enjoy their life here in Canada. So as a support, do your research before you come, have a plan, and when you come here, you will be successful. Thank you.